2010, I was having trouble starting my car. I got it started, but I knew it wasn't the battery. It had to be the starter. So a good friend of mine had told me about this new shop in town, Floyd's Automotive. So I called her, got the phone number, and called Floyd's Automotive, and Carlos answered the phone. And that began a 15-year friendship that not only for myself, but for my husband, my 3 children, their spouses, and a plethora of neighbors. We all use Carlos. And getting to know Carlos in the many times I've been in here, I know that his Christian faith is very important to him. And that faith and the things that flow out of that go into his shop. And you can see that his shop, they are completely honest. They are kind. And when you walk in here as a customer, they don't see a dollar sign, they see a person. And Carlos wants to get to know the person that walks in. I think that's just part of his faith. One thing I can say about Carlos is his high integrity. He will only fix what needs to be fixed. He will not try to fix other things to make more money. It's what needs to be fixed, and he's totally honest, and I would not take my car anywhere else other than Floyd's Automotive.